Tuxie waiting on me. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Start our day off with the Tux man and everybody else. They're all here. Camera's not cooperating. What's new about that, right? So many things to like about this camera and so many things to be frustrated about this camera. And that's the way it is with all the cameras. Good morning, Morris. Hi. Hi. So it looks like the weather right now is in Charlotte. And it also looked like the heavier cells were going to go Fayetteville south. And we're not here. So that would be good. I guess, though, we are still going to get some rain here in a couple hours. So I'm going to put the cat food in the cat hotel. I'm missing my sunshine. Too many mornings in a row with no sunshine. Hi, come here, guys. Come here, Marty. 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 Come on, it's over here, honey. It is. Yeah, if I had my guess, the rain's going to get here a little earlier than they said. But who knows? I mean, we've already had a little bit of drizzle, but I mean the line of storms. But it's looking worse Fayetteville south, so, yeah. Not too worried about it today, but it'd be our luck when they tell us to really watch, and then it does nothing. When they tell us it's not that big of a deal, it'll be something. I hope not. I'm just looking at my flowers. I like to look at my flowers in the morning. Don says the next time I put down that acid-loving fertilizer, let him finish his job first, because that stuff stinks. But you know, the good thing is it might, until it stops stinking, it might keep the deer out of the yard. I see my neighbor has a fire going again up there. He's pretty much, you know, just burns every day just for the hell of it. I don't appreciate it at all. If you gotta burn, get her done. Take your trash to the landfill. Don't burn plastics and crap. You know, it's just, you know, well, to a certain extent, we've had a fire watch. We've had 4 or 5 brush fires in the county every day for the last few days, because I'm monitoring a guy on Facebook that talks about it. So you really shouldn't be burning right now. I don't think they put a burn ban on. They just ask people not to burn. But still. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Mom's got a chicken in this Instant Pot for dinner, okay? Yeah, sorry it's not your best breakfast. Come here, honey. You're making me lean too far. Come here. You don't have to. There you go. Hi. Good girl. He's over there griping that he took 5 steps and didn't have his watch going.
15 at least.
So everybody's trying to get in their exercise before the rain comes. It's pretty close now. We're going to walk up here today because, you know, this way if it starts to rain or hail or something, we can just go hop in Jules and skip on home. I would really like to have walked the trail, and actually there's a lot of trash on Wagstaff we could have walked the road and picked up this morning, but it's just not the right day to do that.
Yeah.
We've been caught in the hail before.
We have.
That wasn't fun that day.
It wasn't.
Although I wasn't worried about me, I was just worried about Jules the whole time. We gotta get to Jules, we gotta get to Jules.
Had to run.
Yeah. 3 Teslas, an older 3, a Y, and a Highland 3. And then, you know, Jules parked on the other side of the parking lot. There's 20 guys playing basketball. Well, Tempest is telling me lightning's 11 to 13 miles away, and 10 minutes ago it was 20 to 25 miles away. So we're calling it at 49 minutes, 2 pogo laps, and a lot of extra trash up along the wood line over by the basketball court. And that's good enough for today. Another day, another chicken for the kitties. Morris is very comfortable in the cat hotel. And Marty asked to go out with Tux, and they're both up on the platform and happy up there. And then, of course, we have a Stripey over here with Big Boy. Well, it's going on 2 o'clock, so it's been raining pretty good for a couple hours now. It's let up a couple times and then picked back up again. You can see the water moving in front of the gnome home. And over here, between the holly and the Sasanqua camellia. And up here, coming down out of the, off the road and down into the yard. So we're getting, you know, we're getting a good soaking. Getting a good amount of rain. We worried it, you know, took off too much of my fertilizer, but it is what it is. We knew there was a risk. So it's all put back together. The only piece I'm missing is a crown for this mermaid, which I will find. They're just so tiny, I don't know where they are. And these 2 round gold seats are supposed to have a little star sticker on them. And other than that, it is good to go. It is good to go. This is Nadia's Epic Adventure Ship, 41073. I didn't have to do a lot of work on it. There was just a couple of things missing, which I have sorted out and put the minifigures back together. And I have another Elves minifigure. I don't know what it goes to, and a couple other princess parts. So for now, I'm going to leave it with the ship. It's cute. It's really cute. Don and I took a few minutes to watch Monroe live. Franz, Lars, and Sandy. Are you helping again? Thank you. When my camera gets knocked sideways, you know who did that. Anyway, this is a junior set. It's only got like 300 pieces. It's just a facade of this castle wall. And I think I have all the pieces, so I'm going to put it together. One more tonight. It's around 5, but we're fasting. And since I'm not cooking anyway, yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Got this back together too. Beauty and the Beast set. There's the Beauty, the girl, the princess. She's missing, but I have her somewhere. I mean, I've seen this figure before. And then got to get a wheel for here, and the hair that goes on Beast is the wrong one. It's back here on this turntable. I put some hair on it, but it's not. I don't think it's the right hair. Other than that, I think it's all there and it's all done.